Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add multiple music in Animoto. Music plays a key role in setting the mood of a video. Sometimes one song is not enough and you may want to use multiple music tracks in a single video. And in this video I'll explain how to add multiple music tracks in Animoto in a simple and clear way. So first you need to have an Animoto account. First you need to have an Animoto app. You can go to the Google Play Store and App Store and you can download it from there as well. And after that you can open to the Animoto. And over here from the dashboard you need to click on the video project you want to edit, or you can select the My Videos on the bottom left and select any of this video over here, and you can select a previous project as well by simply tapping on the previous project. And if you want to add a new project you can do that as well by tapping on the plus icon on the bottom. So over here to add a music you need to click on the music on the bottom right. So over here the music had just been added, and after you're done you can simply select apply in the top right corner, and you can also choose a song from Animoto built-in music library or of your own music file from your computer by simply selecting change song on the bottom. And to add multiple music tracks you need to again tap change song on the bottom, and this section again select another song. Animoto allows you to add more than one track and the music will play in sequence throughout your video. And once all your music tracks are added you can preview your video to make sure the music flows smoothly from one track to the next, and if needed you can also replace and remove any song easily. And that's it. That's how you can add multiple music tracks in Animoto. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.